they also experience a lot of discrimination, violence, and that's something we should bring to the table as well. Because Women's Month is not just about women, it's also about trans women or anyone who considers themselves as women, because after all, this is a celebration of womanhood. So we should be open about it.
Well, for me, sorry. Well, for me, I highly respect those trans women. So I believe they should be part of the celebrating the Women's Month, because I believe being a woman is not just about having that biological side. Being a trans woman means they consider themselves as women. They identify themselves as someone who is a woman and can really contribute to the society. So we must highly acknowledge their identity in the society, and I'm really thankful that the Miss Universe organization is really being inclusive to these people, because they have a voice and we should really celebrate them as well. Thank you.
Natatouch ako sa mga sinasabi nila kasi personally, I don't see any problem with that. I always put in my mind that whenever or whatever we do in our life, people will always have an opinion. As long as you consider yourself as a woman, well, let it be. Because me personally, woman is something or a person who's powerful, who knows his reason, who knows his or her purpose. I believe those people na kiniklaim nila na babae sila, babae talaga sila. And deserve nilang i-elevate, deserve nilang i-uplift, hindi lang sa Philippines, kundi nationally or globally. Thank you.
I personally believe that all people should be celebrated. I'm all about, like I said before, women empowerment, and International Women's Day, Women's Month is so important to me. And I do believe there is a space and a place for us to celebrate as a whole. But it's then again coming together, having discussion, being mindful, being respectful of all people, and coming together so that we create a celebration where everyone feels inclusive, but everyone feels also, respected as well at the same time.
For me, if they identify themselves as women, they can celebrate with us. Even men can celebrate with us, because it is about women empowerment. And this celebration is not about undervaluing other genders. It's more about what other genders can do, women can do it too.
With this celebration, it's Happy Women's Month or Happy International Women's Month. So I think that there is no problem if trans women or any other people that identify themselves as women would like to join this celebration, because I think that hindi lang naman nalilimatahan ang pagkababae sa kakayahan ng isang babae na magdala ng isang buhay. Ang babae ay higit lamang sa isang katangian. We're multifaceted. We cannot just be limited in just one box. We can do a lot of things. Kaya nga, di ba sinabi nila, hindi ka babae lang, babae ka.